Welcome back. Now news from sports. This season's Goa Professional League 2020 tournament has the making of blockbuster entertainment with high-standard cricket as its main plot. A foreign team and a couple of teams from other parts of India have been invited with the intention of raising the standard of Goan cricket. Vinod Phadke-led Goa Cricket Association is determined to make GPL 2013 the best blend of entertainment and high-voltage cricket, beginning on February 24th.
One of the speciality of GPL this season will be the contest between the local cricketers and the outstation teams.
GPL will be something special. GPL won't be connected with the other Premier League. GPL will be totally separate. There are 8 teams, from which 3 teams are non-Goan teams. 1 team is from Sri Lanka, 1 team from Haryana and 1 team from Mumbai. These teams we are bringing because to raise our standard of cricket, because in Sri Lanka team we will have at least 4 international players. Of course not recent players but the former players, which will give boost to our youngsters.
Right. While the 3 non-Goan teams will come with their players, the state cricketers will be auctioned between the 5 local teams.
Auction of our players will be within our 5 teams. Okay. So 5 Goan teams will be there, and this will be like for fun, entertainment and good cricket, where public should really get entertained. Okay. And on 23rd we are having a good show, opening ceremony, unveiling the trophies and all. And we will have one show like IPL.
This year the GPL will be only in 2020 format, and as such the auction will be binding only for this format.
Auction also, this auction will be only for GPL. Okay. This auction has nothing to do with our Premier League. League will be different totally. Okay. In that we have, you must have seen in Premier League there are about 8 teams, in which some teams are not so strong. So what we decided, what happens every year, what happens for Premier League, maybe Sahakar or Dempo, they make the matches one-sided. We don't want that to happen. So even in Premier League, we will see that all our Ranji players will be distributed among all the teams. Okay. But there is no auction in it. Okay.
The auction will be held on Monday, where around 55 players will go under the hammer.
There are 55 players. Okay. And every team, like previous years also, they should have 11 Goan players and about 6 outside players they can have. Okay. But any given time, only 4 outside players will be able to play in 11.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pal from Porvorim.
Kargil war hero Captain Shailendra Kashyap is a great example for the society of how strong spirit can conquer any physical disability. Captain Kashyap plays different kinds of sports including cricket and does it with amazing expertise. Captain Kashyap, now employed with ONGC, was in Goa for the intersectoral cricket tournament where he was felicitated by the Goa Cricket Association.
इससे पहले कि गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन फेलिसिटेट करना चाहते हैं हमारे कारगिल के हीरो को.
Components in the body. I am differently abled. I am not disabled. Right. So the spirit is more important than all the physical ability. Yes, I have worn olive green in my life, and once you wear that olive green, your spirit never backs down. Sport should be an integral part of every youngster in the country, because this is something which brings camaraderie together, discipline into the life, and this is the best thing a person can do. And if associated with a team, it can be the best thing for an individual. I am extremely happy to honor today actually our Kargil hero. I mean, a Kargil hero, it is very easy to say that you should fight and you are in the army. But actually when you are fighting, you are seeing your death in front of your eyes every now and then. And here we have a player who has lost his full leg in the Kargil war due to mines. And then he has, it was absorbed by the ONGC. And on merit, mind you, it is not just because he is disabled. It is on merit that he has come here. He has competitively merit and bhag घेऊन त्याने यातून भाग घेतला, and he is bowling fast bowling. It's amazing.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pal from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.